If your vehicle is showing a P0741 code, in this video I'll explain what it is and how you go about fixing it. What is a P0741 code? It stands for Torque Converter Clutch Solenoid Circuit Performance Stuck Off. In simple terms, there's a torque converter that's bolted to the engine. The engine sends power through the torque converter to the transmission, which then shifts through the gears and sends that power out to the tires. Inside the torque converter is what's called the Torque Converter Clutch, or TCC. This clutch locks the engine directly to the transmission, so there's no slipping when power is being transferred. This setup has several benefits. It helps improve fuel efficiency, reduces heat buildup in the transmission fluid, and improves overall drivetrain efficiency. When you get a P0741 code, it means the computer is commanding the torque converter clutch to engage, but it's not happening. For some reason, the clutch isn't working as expected, so there's a problem that needs to be diagnosed to figure out why the torque converter clutch isn't engaging properly. Possible causes of a P0741 code. The first thing that can cause this is low transmission fluid. If you're able to, go ahead and check your transmission fluid. Some newer vehicles don't allow this because the transmission is sealed and doesn't have a dipstick. But if your vehicle does have a dipstick, it's a good idea to check it. Make sure the fluid is at the correct level and that there are no metal shavings or anything unusual in the fluid. Some people, when they get this code, immediately change the transmission fluid, but that's not always the best approach. On high-mileage transmissions that haven't had regular fluid changes, swapping all the old fluid for new can sometimes cause issues. In these cases, it might be better to just replace the filter and add a smaller amount of fresh fluid. If the fluid has been changed regularly, every 50,000 miles or at the recommended service intervals, then you generally won't have a problem. But if the fluid has never been changed and the transmission has a lot of miles on it, changing all the fluid and the filter can sometimes cause additional problems shortly afterward. That's just something to keep in mind. The key point: check that the transmission fluid is at the correct level. Very low fluid can cause issues, but changing all the fluid isn't always the fix for a P0741 code. Another common cause of a P0741 code is a faulty solenoid inside the transmission. This is often the torque converter clutch solenoid or one of the shift solenoids. If any of these solenoids fail, it can prevent the torque converter clutch from engaging properly. You can test these solenoids to make sure they're working correctly and that there are no issues with them. There are a few different ways to test solenoids, including using a multimeter. There are also some good YouTube videos that walk through how to test them step by step. But after checking the fluid, the next very common cause is a bad TCC or shift solenoid. Another possible cause of a P0741 code is a failing torque converter. If you've already checked the solenoids and verified that the transmission fluid is at the correct level and in good condition, the next component to inspect is the torque converter itself. A faulty torque converter can prevent the clutch from engaging properly, which triggers this code. Finally, there could be a deeper internal transmission problem. This can include issues beyond the solenoids or torque converter, such as problems with the valve body or internal clutches, depending on your vehicle's design. In such cases, a more detailed transmission diagnosis may be required, and the transmission could ultimately need repair or replacement. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, feel free to leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.